So I was watching a Beatles documentary the other night, and I've been really into fingerstyle a lot lately. I was like, I want to do a Beatles tune, fingerstyle with alternating bass, and then the melody on top. So I figured I'd kind of document this process and just show you the kind of, I guess, my process for converting like a full band song to fingerstyle guitar. And this is gonna be ugly at first because I really don't know it. I just figured out. Excuse me. I just kind of came up with the arrangement and threw it into Guitar Pro on Saturday. Today's Monday, and I just got a lot of work left to do. So I just get Guitar Pro up, and I put it on, since it's fingerstyle, it's multi-voiced, so you can see how the melodies kind of grayed out and the bass line is there. I just go through, first off, look at a chord chart and verify it with the song, just to make sure that the chords are right from wherever I get it online. So F, E minor, A7, D minor, whatever. And then I just put a bass line with it. So let's see, turn that up for you. Just the bass line. All right. Just so it matches the harmony, the chords in there, all the way through. Just roots and fifths mostly, unless I want a third or can't get away with root and fifth, and then go plug the melody in over top. So hopefully that's what it'll sound like without the cheesy robot guitar. This is where I am at this point. I've got the melody written out and that alternating bass in Guitar Pro. So I've got the kind of the arrangement on it for the verse and the chorus. But it's gonna take a little while to get this down. It's just like learning anything else, right? You just have to spend time with those. So and then what's after that? And then the C, B flat. Something like that. I'd butcher that. Like, my goal is to, in 2 weeks, have this down to where I can play through the whole thing. So here's the tune. It took me about 5 weeks to get it to this point. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. It should give you a pretty good idea of what to shoot for. If you want to learn how to play the song, just click the link in the description or below this video, and that'll take you to a quick tutorial for it where you have the tabs and everything you need to get going with it. See you later.